Alright, today we got a 2013. Hope you can see that. Code C0034. Front right wheel speed sensor. Speedometer's not working. Let's back up a little bit. And it's not picking up any signal for that front right speed sensor. So let's go ahead and take that old one off and replace it. It's only $20-something part. So let's go and just throw another one on there. Hopefully that'll be all it needs. It's no wiring problem. Be right back. Let's jack your car up, take the wheel off. Yeah, I thought I was just gonna do a simple wheel sensor. It looks like that's not even connected, that other one. Oh my god, what kind of idiot did this? Let's see if I can fix this. Well, I'm not gonna leave it like this long. I'm just gonna test it and make sure it works. But these I made it a little bit longer wire. I tried the butt connectors, but the butt connectors just wouldn't work with these because they're just so small wires here. But anyway, that's your wheel sensor right down here. It's a T25. Take that off. We're gonna see if this works out, and then I'm gonna get a new pigtail. All right, got a new pigtail and everything. Got everything hooked up right. No more ABS light. This thing needs some wheel bearings, but anyway, that's besides the point. All right, here we go. Yep. We're getting speed on it now. Working. Speedometer's working. So, all right, another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Got any questions? Just comment